Ever posted something on WordPress but didn't want it to show up on your homepage? Whether it's a special announcement, a draft, or just content you want to limit, hiding posts is easier than you think. Today, I'll show you 2 simple ways to do it. The quickest method is built right into WordPress. Open the post you want to hide, and in the post editor, look for the visibility option. Click it and you'll see 3 choices: public, private, and password protected. Choosing private will make the post visible only to you or site admins. Password protected allows you to share it with anyone who has a password. Save the changes and your post is immediately removed from the homepage. But what if you want more control or need to hide multiple posts at once? That's where plugins come in. One of the most popular options is the WordPress Hide Post plugin. Once installed, you can select exactly where each post appears: on the homepage, in categories, or even in search results. This gives you ultimate flexibility without touching any code. And that's it. With these methods, you can manage what your visitors see and keep your homepage clean and organized. Now you can hide posts confidently and control your content like a pro. Try it out and see how easy it is to streamline your site's homepage.